Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at a 2018 Yamaha Viking 6. They've just installed the DFK cab kit on it, and this cab kit is sweet. What's nice about this kit is you can see you've got a huge viewing area. You're not restricted at all in your viewing area from either side. The windows, as you can see, roll back as well. They do lock. Every door locks so you can safely secure your machine while you're out on the trail, out playing in the snow. On the back here, huge field of view on the back as well. Very well thought of cab kit. Install time takes a while, especially on your first one. You're going to be taking quite a bit of time to get this installed, but it opens, functions good. Got the mirrors on it as well, but you can see very good quality cab kit. Roof, you got the rain gutter along there along the top to keep it from dripping down. Also, the windshield wiper and washer kit. We've also installed the Yamaha heater system on it. If you're going to do the full cab kit, it's a great idea to do the heater kit. One, because you're getting some defrost up there to get that windshield all nice and cleared off for you in the mornings. You've also got adjustable heater vents down low to keep your legs warm and everything as well. This windshield does pop out as well if you're needing to get it opened up to create some airflow for you, if you're going to run that all throughout the summer months and everything. But if you have any questions, give us a call, 435-427-3338. You can also check us out on the web, BigPineSports.com. Say hi, Zach. Hi. We've also installed the Camso UTV track system on here. The cabin owners up here in the big mountains of Utah love these track kits. If you're going to go with the track kit, give us a call. We can help you out with pricing. We can give you help with the install. We do tons of these every year. They work very effectively here in Utah. Pricing on them is got some good pricing going on right now. Too low for me to actually even mention on the video, but if you need some help, give us a call. We'd love to get you into the ride of your dreams here at Big Pine Sports. Again, check us out on the web, BigPineSports.com.